Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for mobile. First, download the Notion application from your device's App Store, whether it's an Apple or Android phone. Once installed, simply log in using your existing account credentials or create a brand new one. You'll then see your workspace. The sidebar on the left allows you to navigate between all your pages and databases. You can also use the quick search bar at the top to find anything you need in just creating and editing content on Notion Mobile is straightforward. To add a new page or block, simply tap the plus icon located at the bottom of your screen. You can then choose from a wide variety of block types, such as text, headings, bullet points, or even a to-do list. Rearranging your content is simple. Just long press and drag blocks to their desired position. You can also easily format text with options like bold, italics, and different colors. When designing your themes, prioritize clean code and responsive layouts to ensure they work well on all devices. High-quality screenshots and detailed product descriptions are essential to showcase your work effectively. Provide comprehensive documentation to help users install and customize your themes easily. Pricing your themes appropriately, perhaps between $25 and $100, will attract buyers while reflecting their value. Remember, excellent design and clear communication build trust with your customers. To truly master Notion on your mobile device, consider these advanced tips. Leverage the extensive template gallery to quickly create new pages for various purposes, saving you valuable time. For even faster access, add Notion widgets directly to your phone's home screen. Personalize your workspace by customizing page icons and covers. If you use an external keyboard, many desktop keyboard shortcuts also work, boosting your productivity significantly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.